Hey friends, me and Ash are going to do a review of this beautiful Miele Complete 3 vacuum cleaner. This is super well designed, well engineered, and they actually did a lot of these functions that you can use your foot. So instead of having to bend over, you literally just pop your foot on there and you can turn it on, you can turn it off. The power cord is right there. So this is a corded, so you can see we've got it plugged in. And it's got about a 1200 watt motor that comes in this. You can see here it goes from basically low suction to high suction, and because they want us to know by pictures, so you can kind of see from the curtains all the way up to max suction for a big pile rug. That's how you would use that. And we're just going to turn, actually I'm going to show you where you keep your little attachments that come with it, which is right in here. Hold on. Okay, sorry. Attachments go in there, and then the HEPA filter and the bag are right in here, so you can see that. And then we're going to turn it on real quick. With a couple of dogs, they have dog hair, so dogs do that. You can see you can just turn it on with your foot. That's about how loud it goes. And then that is the brush that we've got. So the handle here, and let me just, yeah, you can kind of see the ergonomic shape in here. So it's easy and very comfortable to hold. And then you can just, it's got it on rollers. So whether it's hardwood floors or carpets, it is perfect. And that's why we love it.